Hi viewers, today I talk about how you can melt chocolate perfectly without having to add any other ingredients. This is perfect because the constitution of your chocolate is not tempered. Your chocolate remains as pure as chocolate can be, even in its melted state. Now, let me take you through how I melt the chocolate. Although I want brown chocolate, I use both brown and white chocolate. It still turns out brown. I use about 3 parts brown chocolate and 1 part white chocolate. The reason I add white chocolate is that white chocolate has a very thin consistency when melted. Brown chocolate, on the other hand, is thick when melted, and by itself, it will continue thickening while you are still working with it. So white chocolate has a thinning effect and helps brown chocolate to stay thin for a while longer. I use discs and choc chips because they melt quicker and evenly, unlike solid chocolate. I boil water in a big pot and place chocolate in a smaller pot. I happen to have this tiny pot that hangs out with the handle and stay afloat. But you can place a normal pot inside a bigger boiling pot. I put white chocolate in the pot first and brown chocolate on top, because brown chocolate is fussier. Brown chocolate is more prone to changing consistency due to continued heat. White chocolate changes to a lesser extent. Hence, I do not put the chocolate pot on direct heat but in a boiling pot. At this stage, all you need to do is to stir until chocolate is completely melted. Then you can remove it from heat and your chocolate is ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.